How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm doing a yellow teeth removal step-by-step, instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how to get rid of yellow teeth, you guys. My teeth, if you look, are pure white. And again, you can see pure white. So how do I get them pure white? I do what's called oil pulling. It's very simple. Get 2 tablespoons of olive oil, swish it in front of your teeth like this for 30 seconds, then spit it out. So just like this, 30 seconds, spit it out. That is all you have to do. First thing in the morning, brush your teeth, then do the oil pulling for 30 seconds. At night, brush your teeth, floss, make sure you're flossing, and then do the oil pulling for 30 seconds. Spit out. That's it. That's all you have to do. Literally 1 minute of your time for the day. That is it. That's all you have to do. Within 2 to 3 days, you'll notice your teeth will get a little bit whiter. Within a week or two, they'll be pure white. This works. It works for myself. I've been doing it for over 8 years. My friends who wanted white teeth, a couple of them wanted white teeth. Some of them didn't care. But the ones that do, this worked. 2 to 3 days, and then a week or two, they had pure white teeth. So it does work. It worked for me. It worked for my friends. It does work. It's also very beneficial to your teeth. It'll make your teeth very healthy. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching.